Assalamu alaikum everyone. Once again, I am here, your teacher Varda, with another letter and another set of activities. Let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And first of all, we are going to do the poem. So it is Maggie the mouse is grey and small. She lives in a house that is tall. She lives in a house, Maggie, mouse. One more time. Maggie the mouse is grey and small. She lives in a house that is tall. She lives in a house, Maggie, mouse. Okay, so that was an interesting poem. We have done the sound of Maggie, mouse. Now moving on, I have a couple of objects on the screen that you people need to recognize and tell me what are they. First of all, this is the hint is you people see it on the night और रात को आते हैं, so this is a moon. It's not an uncle, it's a man. And the most favorite fruit of mine, mango. One more time, let's do the sounds. Moon, man, mango. Again, moon, man, mango. Okay. So we are done here with the sound of We have done the sounds with the letter with the sound Now I am going to say a story in front of you, and I'm going to read it for you people. It starts with Maryam lived in Kashmir. She loved her home so much because of the lovely mountain. It rained last night and the day outside was so beautiful. It was summer and the mountain were full of green trees. After breakfast, she took her bicycle to ride into the valley. When she was riding her bicycle, its wheel got stuck in the mud. She stepped off her bicycle and went to see lovely trees around. She was very happy to see monkeys climbing on the tree branches. Meanwhile, Maryam could smell some yummy muffins. She saw a family nearby having a picnic, and they were eating hot muffins with tea. One of the men saw Maryam looking at them, so he told his children to give one muffin to Maryam as well. Maryam said thank you and asked for help to take her bicycle out of the mud. The man was glad to help her, and he helped Maryam to take her bicycle out of the mud. Maryam was very thankful and she rode back home safely. Okay. So we have done the sounds of I have also circled the words with the sound As you can see on the screen, we have Maryam, mountain, and again mountain, and then we have the word meanwhile, we have the monkeys, mud, and home. Home के अंदर भी एक sound है हमारे पास, muffins. So these all were the sounds, the words with the sound and as always I tell you people कि हमेशा whenever you are telling the story to the children, you need to emphasize on the sound जिसको हम पढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Now moving on, we have a couple of more objects on the screen. So what is this? Okay, so यहाँ पे confuse करेंगे आप लोग इसको with rug, but it's not a rug, it's a mat. It's mic, and here it is the mouse. One more time. Mat, mic, mouse. So we are also done with these sounds. Now moving on, I am going to tell you that which letter we have done. We have done M. M has the sound of monkey, mic, mountain. So all the sound that we have learned are from So you need to practice the letter on the workbook by, first of all, you need go down and then make a curve and again go down and then make a curve and go down. Similarly, you need to do this for the pencil. Now this time you are going to use your pencil instead of the crayon or index finger. Take the pencil, hold it like the crayon and trace it on the workbook page. And along with the writing, you also need to say the sound M, Okay. So हम कैसे कहते हैं? How do we pronounce the sound? By It's not m, it's m is the sound जो है ma या हम कहते हैं m ma. No, it's not ma, it's m, mouse. M या ये होगा m या ये होगा Now moving on, we have the activities as well. So the only activity here is mouse making activity. What you need to do, trace the letter, or your elder one can also do it. You can do it with the help of paint. मैंने इसको color sheet पे cut कर लिया था. So color sheet पे cut करें M का letter और उस पे हम एक mouse के बनाएंगे. So you can also attach the mustaches that they have done here. And the eyes as well, it's optional. जितनी चीज़ें आप ऐड करते जाएंगे उतना ज़्यादा वो अच्छा लगता जाएगा. So you can also do other activities. I have made the mouse from the letter M. Trace it and paste it on a white paper ताकि वो highlight हो जाए. Or you can do it with the help of the paint as well. So what we have done today, we have done the activity, we have done the story, we have done the sound M pronunciation, the written work, and I will come next time with another letter and another set of activities. Till then, thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.